What's going on? Today we're gonna make Jersey X new jazz type beat. We're gonna sample some vocals, do all that. Let's get right to it. Alright, so we're gonna do 130 BPM. So first thing I want to do is I want to get a pad. Let's go to Twin 2. We might have to shuffle through these, but
Few inches later.
this could work. Alright, let's change our scale. Let's do G minor. Let's just do like a long chord for the pad. Probably gonna change the sound, but okay, yeah, let's change the sound. Let's keep these going, but change that bass note right there. Alright, so I like this pad, but I want to see if I can find a better one. So I'm just going to clone this, and I'm just going to mute it, copy these chords, paste them in here, and then let's see if we can find a better sound. Just add these to the mixer. Let's just compress this first pad. Just get rid of more of these highs. Now let's get a bass, so I'm gonna go back into Twin, and let's go to, yeah, I don't even know. Let's just go through these.
A few moments later.
So an easy way to build like this typical new jazz progression is, since our scale is G minor, we'll set the note right here, and then let's count 4 up. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then here we're only counting the white notes. So let's get rid of these, and then add this here. Extend this, let's go 2 up, and then let's go 1 up here, and let's paste this over, and let's take this, pitch it up, and here let's just flip these. So it's a bit too low. Let's pitch everything up. Let's pitch everything up by 2. So now we're in A minor. Let me just change my scale real quick. Let's go to A. Let's try a different sound. Okay. Just get rid of this noise. Now let's add another pad. This pad, I want it to be more like, more like movement. Still gotta find the right sound, but let's just take those chords and then paste them in here too. Keep it like that, just kind of in the background, just for some movement. All right, so now that we have these pads down, let's add some leads and like some plucks, just to add some like actual melody to it, you know what I'm saying? Let's just fix that delay. Let's try a different sound. Since these beats are pretty simple and there aren't a lot of drums, I'm just gonna add the drums now, arrange it, and then I'm gonna add more like melody or texture and vocals and stuff to it. For the kick, we're just gonna hit 4-step here, and we're just gonna change it. Actually, we'll probably use a different kick. And basically that's the pattern there. Just hit Command L just to connect everything, and then just Command B, Command B. Change the kick. Alright, so now that we have the kick, let's get this open hat here, and then let's do this kind of like house pattern where it goes like in between. So let's just hit fill each 4-step, right click, advanced fill, and then let's just edit it like that. I'm going to my Met kit. Let's grab a snap. Let's add the snap here. Let's do a 3 right there. I'm gonna go to my Me and Me kit, which is out now, so if you guys want to get it, links down below. If you guys get it within the first week, you guys will also get my Xenology bank completely free. So yeah, if you guys want to help support the channel, get some new sounds, go check it out. I appreciate you guys. Thank you guys as always. Let's go. I'm gonna grab a lead, so let's grab this 1 shot here, and I'm gonna go to the envelope, put the attack all the way down, put the hold all the way up, put the release down, go over here to the wrench, Porta on, mono on, set this to 1, and now our 1 shot glides. Sadly, my camera overheated. It is what it is. I'm just gonna keep it going. But all I did is I just changed the kick and I just changed the snap. So I'm gonna use this acapella here.
Time marches on, never ending. Time keeps its own time. Here we stand at beginning. So tell me, how do you? So tell me, how do you do? Finally, I meet you. You don't know what I've been through.
Like that part's off, so I need to fix that part.
Waiting and wondering about you.
Take this part, wondering about you part.
Wondering about you. I had a dream, my trip would end up at you. I can't buy.
That's some effects.
Wondering about you. I had a dream, my trip would end up at you. I can't buy.
Add pan flow. Just make it pan like left and right. Let's do speed. Let's set it to 2.
So tell me, how do you do? Finally, I meet you.
That's some reverb too. Not a hi-hat. Let's just follow that kick pattern. These chops are so mid. I can't even believe how mid these chops are. Yeah, I'm gonna get rid of these.
Finally, I meet you. I had a dream, my trip put in the bed.
Yeah, so for these, we're gonna make these just like quieter. Let's just switch them around. Change the snap.
So tell me, how do you do? Finally, I meet you. You don't know what I've been through. Finally, I meet you. I had a dream, my trip put in the bed.
Alright boys, so that's a wrap. So we just made a Jersey X new jazz tape beat. If you guys liked the video, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe. Road to 10K, you know what I'm saying? Let's get it, guys. And if you guys want to get my Me and Me kit, links down below. If you guys get it right now, you guys will also get my Xenology bank for free. So yeah, go get it. Follow me on Instagram at ProdMaze. Follow UNDERDOGS.OOO. And comment down below what you want to see next. And yeah, thank you guys. Let's go.